Hey guys, just wanted to show you all of our cat suits. I mean, I think we should just change our name to like the Catsuit Kings. So these are all the festival cat suits that we print. There's long sleeve ones and halter neck ones, and there's loads of ones. There's optical illusion ones. It's just endless. Then we've obviously got a whole lot of amazing animal print ones, zebras, leopards, all sorts of different ones, snakes, giraffe, cheetah. Then we've got avatar costumes, Alice in Wonderland cat, Cheshire cat ones. These are all sort of psychedelic festival ones, and then these are all our butterflies and moths and the wings that match. A whole lot of mesh cat suits, and then these are all the Halloween ones and skeletons and fun ones and psychedelic skull ones. There's so many different things. Spiderweb wings. All the black cat suits, 50 million of them, and then we have loads of super crazy shiny ones and all the holy cat suits, all the different colors, like holographic ones, shiny ones mixed with mesh, fire ones, a whole lot of plain ones. Made these cool Harlequin ones, and then these are all like Formula One ones, loads of different styles of Formula One ones, camouflage ones, and then these are sort of little retro kind of ones, tie-dye, one with clouds all over, cassette tapes, all crazy Lumo costumes. This was a Lady Gaga one that I made. And then we've got a whole lot of digital cat suits that I designed and printed and sewed up. Here they are. And these are all the galaxy ones we made for Africa Burn, and planets and space, and African print ones, and different floral ones for Chinese and different floral things. Here's a South African flag one we made. All the anime ones, Dragon Ball Z, and all the other characters which I don't know. I can't remember who they are, but I designed all of these on Photoshop and then made them all, and stormtroopers, and those are just all our patterns. So yeah, so basically I've just hung them all along this side of the wall because we're running out of space. We're hoping to get build a mezzanine, but it hasn't quite happened yet. But yeah, if you need any catsuit or any spandex, anything, whether it's catsuits, leotards, leggings, we custom print and sew them all right here in Cape Town. We can print on spandex, mesh, velvet, all the sports fabrics, chiffon. We also get in all this amazing holographic fabric, so if you wanted something specifically made out of that, you can, depending on what's available. I can literally create anything and do anything. So yeah, just let us know if you need any amazing cat suits done or leggings, whatever. Hope everybody's good.